It's the 6th of August 2023 and time to get the Midget back on the road. Been a long time since I've done a Midget video, so here we are at the next sprint of the season, past the halfway mark now. This time we're at Curborough. So we're at Curborough, one of my favourite circuits. I really like Curborough, and this time we're doing the figure of 8, which just so happens to be my favourite configuration as well. So as always, we're on the pre-track inspection, and the great thing is today it's dry. The forecast is due to wetten up later, so really hoping to get a run in the dry before we have to suffer the rain this afternoon. If it rains here, it's quite tight, could make it quite slippy, so setting a time is going to be a challenge. Always a great corner, this one. Keeping it over to the right, then swinging it in. Trying to avoid the rumble strips as they're fairly vicious here. Nice tight corner to test the capabilities of the Midget, this one. So the course will go up, around the big hairpin at the top, then down the straight to the crossover here again. Down anti-clockwise around that corner, around my favourite hairpin of them all by the commentary box. Back up, swing it round to cross back over here, and then back around the traditional circuit all the way to the finish. So this is the next round of the MG Car Club Speed Championship. There's 12 events left to run, 7 of which are in August, I read recently. And so that means points are on offer. I think my target time I'm chasing is 74, 75 something. I know the car will do that in the dry. So all to play for today to further my hopes for the championship. Also on offer at Curborough is the Ernie Foster Trophy. So over the 2 events, the Easter Sprint and the Summer Sprint here today, the fastest midget across the 2 gets the Ernie Foster Trophy. Something I picked up last year very proudly. So fighting for that again today. So scrutineering first, practice 2 laps, 2 timed laps. Bit of an old hand at scrutineering now, so hopefully that'll go without issue, and then it'll be straight into practice at about 9:15. That's right, time to get ready. Well, the dry spell didn't last long, and then the rains came. So that's practice completed, and it didn't go so well. I need 5 seconds, so if anybody has 5 seconds to spare, please put those in the chat. I'd be more than grateful of having those before the time lapse. Thanks. Well, there we go, another fantastic day at the Curborough circuit. Thankfully the sun came out and the last two runs, timed runs, were dry, enabling some really good times. The car went about a second and a half faster than my previous best here, so really pleased with the suspension changes. Obviously made a big difference on a course like this. So there we go, onwards to the next event. So from a sunny Curborough, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for all your comments. I'll see you shortly on the next video.